you guys? Welcome back to another video, another Vlogmas. Today we're on day 3. By the time you see this video, you guys, y'all already seen day 1 and day 2, but if you have not, make sure you go check those videos out. So today's video, I haven't went out of town as of yet, but y'all, honestly, I got a big situation right there. I gotta get my living room together. I got some things that I need to take off the wall. As you see something in the back right here, like I'm gonna just go ahead and take the things off the wall because at this point it's Christmas. That don't even go, but I'm gonna try to find, I'm gonna just take this off the wall. But the main thing that I'm going to be doing is getting my Christmas stuff in order. So if I need to take some things out the living room, I'm going to straighten it up, do that. So that's what the vlog going to consist of. Getting the downstairs together, the living room. Yeah. And you could tell kids live here. Like, I can't stand it. But what else I have to do? Oh, we got to go to Home Depot. I got to go to Home Depot because I need to get some containers. I noticed that Home Depot, y'all, have some good crate containers. So I'm going to put all my holiday, like the fall stuff that I'm not using, and even the Christmas decorations that I'm not using this year, because sometimes I change the colors, but I'm using the same colors from last year, which would be cream gold, and a hint of, I don't know, something like that, y'all. But anyways, just sit back, relax. Make sure y'all hit that red button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment. Go check out some other videos. And yeah, so let's go to Home Depot. Let's just go ahead and get this vlog started. Okay, y'all, so I'm back in the car. Y'all, Home Depot was so dusty, and I know that that's a common thing there, but girl, my purse had got all dusty and stuff like that. But I did get a container, got a clear container, because I was thinking about, like, they had some different ones, but I was like, I need a clear container. So I got that one. I'm gonna test that one out and see, you know, if that's the size I want to go for, which is pretty big. It's pretty big and decent. So when I get home, I'm gonna go ahead and get that stuff organized, and we finna get that living room together, y'all. We gotta get it together. progress. Honestly, I can't throw away this stroller and the baby's car seat back there, but I'm just keeping it just in case somebody need it. What else? Right here is a Christmas container. I'm about to go back to Home Depot, get probably 2 more. Right here is like some documentations and stuff like that that I still want to keep. I want to put in a container. This is just right here, y'all. It's nothing but wrapping paper. Oh, wrapping paper. And these are some big ornaments. So I have a lot of Christmas stuff. But that's pretty much it. So I'm about to go back to Home Depot, probably get 2 more of those things, containers, and it's going to make it more organized. And before I forget, y'all, this right here is nothing but trash. So you see, I got more space in the closet because this is not here. So, child, I'm hot and sweat so bad. Child, I'm just ready to be done with this. But, y'all, in the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And let me hurry up so we can be done with this. So I want to give y'all the end result. So the decorative pieces that I had on the wall, they're gone. I Lysol the couch, sprayed the couch. I'm still spraying some more. I'm probably going to do a deep cleaning with this rug because it's still good, but I'm just like I like to deep clean because I'm in that mode and we're about to be in a new year. This is the blinds. Kind of go with my sectional. I had that one piece on the wall right there, which is not there anymore. And then, y'all, this right here is all Christmas stuff. All Christmas stuff. So this is the stuff that I bought this year. And this is all the stuff that just a little bit, but I'm not buying no more decorative stuff. That's the tree, all my Christmas ornaments and stuff. This is the stuff that I do not want. A mirror, decorative pieces. I'm probably gonna get a mirror to my daughter. And then let me show y'all the closet. So this is the closet. It still looks like it's messed up, but it's not. It's actually in containers, so everything is fine. This is more ornaments, more wrapping paper. I just hoard stuff that I know that I'm gonna use again. So yeah. Okay, y'all, but that pretty much sums up today's video. Getting the downstairs together. I might need one more container, but that's okay. And I'm probably gonna leave this wall like that because, like I said, I'm gonna be shopping for some home decor stuff. Really, I'm just focused on Christmas, but I think I'm gonna do home decor shopping. If I see it, I pick it up, but mainly at the beginning of the year, like mainly. So that pretty much sums up today's video, you guys. I hope you like this type of content. Thank you so much for watching my Vlogmas Day 3. Come back tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 4, because tomorrow's vlog, y'all, it's a tradition. Everybody gonna go get it. I'm not gonna say, you have to come back. So I will see you in the next video. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.